Today, let's unbox the Ubiquiti U6 Enterprise Wi-Fi 6E access point. The U6 Enterprise is an all-new next-generation access point that's ideal for demanding and high-density networks. It can support up to 600 plus clients whilst effectively distributing high volumes of data to maintain that reliable, quick and quality connection you desire. Here we have the access point itself, and if we simply remove this attachment, we can see the PoE port and the factory reset button. This access point comes with both a mounting plate and a backing plate, and also a screw kit. It also comes with a handy spirit level that we can see here. We of course have a quick installation guide too to help you if you get stuck. Thanks for watching! Check out the description below to get your own U6 Enterprise today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.